Hi guys, welcome to another video. As promised, I was gonna solve half of them and there's gonna be a part 2. So first, out of 12 cubes, I'm gonna be solving these 6. The 2x2, the Ivy cube, the 3x3, the Pyramix, the 2x2 mirror cube, and the ball cube. Last thing to say, guys, before this video starts, make sure to sub to Revenger. I'm going to link him in the description. Me and my mate made a deal. And guys, hope you enjoy the video. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, there's going to be a part 2, but that's